Hello students, I am Dr. PC Cambodia, Associate Professor in the Department of English, BSR Government Arts College, Alwar, Rajasthan. This video is for the students of BA Part 2nd English Literature Paper 2nd. In this video, we discuss 7th chapter, section 3rd of the novel Inside the Haveli written by Rama Mehta. In this chapter, we are told that the marriage of Sita is over, and the next day the maids of the house they get up early morning, and the cook also gets up, but they have their eyes full of sleep. They keep on rubbing the eyes and continue the working of the Haveli. Khyali is there in the kitchen and he churning curd. Then the maidservant Ganga comes to the kitchen, takes a cup full of curd and then mixes gram flour in it, takes a bottle of camphor oil and goes to the room where the mistress of the Haveli, Kavarnisa, is there as usual, and then that paste is to be applied on her hair and she is to be helped to have a bath. Then daughter of Gangaramji goes away from the Haveli, and this daughter is Sita. Gangaramji is very happy to have his daughter married to Shivram, and then he is full of pleasure because the marriage party kept on praising the arrangements and welcoming ceremony. They were saying that no other marriage party has been given such a nice welcome and such a grand dinner. Of course, the expenses incurred on this marriage were more than the expectations of Gangaramji, but still he was happy. Gangaramji was told that Shivram's father praised the turbans given to them, and he was happy with having such a daughter like Sita as bride to his son Shivram, because she was educated and she had gone to school. And thereafter, Khyali keeps on working in his kitchen, and Dhapu boils the milk for the children of the Haveli, and Kavarnisa, having had her bath, comes to the kitchen and then asks the cook Khyali that where had he seen Lakshmi. Then Khyali tells him that when he went to get anklets of Sita changed to market, he met Hari the Panwala. It was Hari the Panwala who told him 3 weeks before that Lakshmi was living in the other part of the city near old railway station in the house of a famous tailor of Udaipur. Then Khyali reminded Kavarnisa that this Hari Panwala was the same person whose room Lakshmi had hired as soon as she ran away from the Haveli. Then he told further that the reputation of Hari Panwala is questionable. He is a man of ill repute. It was he who told that he saw Lakshmi purchasing costly laddus and puris, and then he followed Lakshmi to find out where she goes. Hari Panwala had a devil in his mind and thought that Lakshmi had a friendship with some other person, but in order to know who that other person could be, he followed her and saw entering a school. He didn't know that the daughter of Lakshmi was already admitted over there, but he thought because of the devilish mentality that Lakshmi had developed friendship with the watchman of that school, and he came back and started defaming Lakshmi. But Khyali, the cook, knew what was the fact, and Khyali didn't tell all about this to the mistress of the Haveli, and Khyali informs her that Dhapu also knows about this, that Lakshmi was very much there in Udaipur city. Then Kamarnisa asks him the reason why she was not informed. Then Khyali tells her that she was not informed because she had an idea of bringing Lakshmi back to the Haveli. Then the mistress of the Haveli, Kamarnisa, asks Khyali what was the harm in bringing Lakshmi to the Haveli. Then Khyali tells her that it was not in favor of Sita, who was going to be married very soon if Lakshmi arrives over there, because to Shivram's father they had told that Lakshmi one day disappeared from the Haveli and she didn't come back. And this disappearance may have caused a mystery, and he didn't tell this that she was living in Hari Panwala's house or later on a tailor's house, because if Shivram's father had known this fact that the girl whom they are going to marry is the daughter of such a lady whose reputation is questionable, then it would not have been in favor of Sita and for further peaceful married life. Then Khyali tells that it was also against the prestige of the Haveli, because if she was brought back, then there would have been hundreds of questions and it would have taken the form of a scandal, because people would have asked why did she run away and why she was living with someone else and what kind of relation she had, and thereafter it would have been a talk of the town. So he didn't tell, and Kamarnisa also accepts that if she was not called just before the marriage of Sita, then it was in favor of the Haveli and also in favor of Sita. Otherwise, it would have been against the reputation of Shivram's father. Khyali tells Kamarnisa that he was afraid even after the first round of the sacred tie of marriage under canopy, because he was afraid if Shivram's father comes to know the facts and details of Lakshmi, then the tie of marriage of Shivram and Sita may have been broken. But as soon as all the 7 rounds of the tie of marriage with the fire were over, so he was fully sure that marriage is not going to be cancelled. This way, they take a decision that whatever Khyali is thinking, he is thinking in the right manner. Then one of the maid servant comes and tells Kanwarnisa that Daulat Singh ji and his son have come to their Haveli to meet Bhagwat Singh ji. They are already there, and Bhagwat Singh ji has asked to bring refreshments. Very soon, Khyali prepares refreshments for them, and trays arrive over there. They have fine quality of sharbat and several kinds of sweet in the refreshment. Then those maid servants tell the mistress of the Haveli that they are matching the horoscope of Vijay Bai Shah and Veer Singh for their marriage. But Geeta is not in favor of this marriage, as the age of her daughter Vijay Bai Shah is only 13, because as when she got married, the age was 19 years. Then Khyali the cook tells Kanwarnisa that the professional halwais are reaching the Haveli of Daulat Singh ji. Jewelers are also going over there. Cloth merchants are also going over there in order to know which of the sweets they would finalize, which of the clothes they would finalize, and which of the jewelry they would finalize. Actually speaking, it is the question of celebrating a festival too early. Of course, the marriage has not been decided, but all the preparations are on, and thereafter Manji Buwasa and Kanta Buwasa also arrive in the Haveli, and they inform Kanwarnisa that matches are also dropping in from all parts of Rajasthan for Veer Singh ji, and the Haveli of Daulat Singh ji cannot go on waiting for their response. And after all, it is the question of reputation of the Haveli of Daulat Singh ji. And then they tell that one of the famous dynasty from Jaipur had also come to the Haveli of Daulat Singh ji to finalize the marriage of their grandson Veer Singh, and they are ready to give enough of dowry. They brought their girl with them. They had also seen the girl, and the Mrs. to Daulat Singh ji also liked the girl, but they are waiting for the response of the Haveli of Bhagwat Singh ji. So now was the question of Bhagwat Singh ji to respond finally. And Bhagwat Singh ji was telling that if they agree to this marriage, then the education of Vijay Bai Shah would continue. It would not come to stand still. Education is essential even for the case of the girls and ladies, and they also have this doubt in their mind which is hidden, whether their daughter-in-law called as Binni ji, whose name is Geeta, would agree to their proposal. If he says yes, so he had slightly a kind of a disturbance in his mind. So Bhagwat Singh ji is told by Daulat Singh ji that they would be waiting for their response, and thereafter they would take a decision. And with this, chapter 7th of the novel Inside the Haveli, section 3rd, comes to an end. The students can make a list of the main events of this chapter and can post it to my email cambodiapc@gmail.com. I would be responding to their solutions, and we shall be discussing the next chapter of this novel Inside the Haveli in our next video class. Thank you so much.